Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I, Winnet Ramadhani, will that presentation on stereotype material. B. Stereotypes in media. Many films, advertisements, and television programs show men engaged in physically demanding pursuits such as sport, rock climbing, and beach surfing or canoeing. They also show young boys playing with action toys such as robots and superhero figures. On the other hand, some media show young girls putting on makeup, brushing their hair, and generally worrying about their overall appearance. In literature and art, stereotypes are cliché or predictable characters or situations. Related to this, Violet Harada conducts research about stereotypes and based in recent Asian American fiction for adults can. Several generations emerged from the study. The prevailing image of Asian American as a member of a model minority appeared in overhaul of the fiction. C. Positive and negative side of stereotypes. Stereotypes are evil for the human brain because the approach as heuristic are cognitive mechanisms to quickly gather, process, and synthesis information. And social animals, we seek to gather information about those around us. However, there is too much information to process in the entirety. Therefore, we have heuristic to make the process more different. In applying a stereotypes on is able to quickly know something about an individual. For example, if the only thing you know about girls is that they belongs either to a band, you are able to cues that she like music, she like the video, and then other positive side of stereotype are people rely on stereotype every day to help them in education to society and to allow people to quickly process new information about an even a person, to organize people's past experience, to meaningful assess difference between individuals and groups, to make prediction about other people's behaviors given to social and cognitive negative of heuristic. Dealing with stereotype. The key to refreshing negative stereotype is to contradict them in direct interaction between people in the media and through education. 1. Between individuals. Once people get to know a person from the other side, they often will determine that the other is not nearly as bad as they originally had assumed. More often, however, people really are much more reasonable than entire stereotype would suggest. In the case, getting to know people personally helps to break down negative image. 2. In the media. The media also plays an important role in both perpetuating and in breaking down stereotypes. If the characterize particular groups of people in certain ways, their viewers or readers are likely to do some to the some if a movie of the motion picture industry in general characterize a group people negatively, they are likely to be persuading negative stereotype and making conflict words. Um, Next, 3. In education. Education in institution on teaching material also have the opportunity to affect stereotype and hence influence intergroup relation. Efforts to teach about different cultures and the history of different racial or ethnic groups can help build intergroup understanding if it is an effective and sympathetic way. In addition, we can deal with stereotype by presenting more balanced picture of minority life in media and by reporting forum of human rights abuses, by protecting our group fairly, keep on talking and communicating fairly with each other. Otherwise, these problems are going to get much worse. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.